What's up guys, so this is a 2005 Honda Civic and I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the cabin filter. So so I cleared it. I cleared the glove box, and what you want to do now is see this tab right here and that tab over here. You just want to go like this and pry it out like so until it pops out like that, and then you just want to pull it, put it down there, do the same thing on the other side, that, and should be dropped like that, and there's your cabin filter right there, guys. So what you want to do is press this tab, pull it out, and then now note the direction. It says airflow is going down, so that's how you will put the cabin filter back in. But I just want to slide this, and there it is. Ooh, it's dirty. So yeah, and then there's, after you get that one out, the other one is right here, and the same thing, slide it this way and pull it out, and it's dirty as well. So I'm gonna go and get a new one and then show you guys how to put it back. Okay, so you're gonna need CF1 at 135 for this, and there's the two. So basically, just gonna open that up, and right there, pay attention to the arrow. So you want to take this one that's filthy, so the arrow is pointing down, so you want to do the same thing. So basically, arrow pointing down, and you just want to go like that, put it like that, nice and fresh, and you want to go in there and slide it back, slide it back, and then to the side like that. Now you want to do the same thing with the other one. Again, arrow pointing down, arrow pointing down. So there. Make sure it sits properly. And then you just wanna, again, same thing, slide it in. What's going on here? There you go. That's it. You want to put the cover back on, so put the tab on facing that way, and then the clip, and this should just snap in place. Now lift the glove box up like that. Get one of the tabs, push it through. So you want to push that through there and clip it. So once it's in place, you just kind of like pull it back, but not too hard so you don't snap it. Same thing on the other side. Put it position like this, and then just push it while you're pulling down, and that's it. That's how you do a cabin filter on a 2005 Honda Civic.